Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Shereza Crazy Beauty, chapter 54. So here it is. Let's read the story. You are clearly using the name of the routine inspections too. Acting like a robber, you're shameless. Thieves who steal things are all beasts. Bandits has been causing trouble recently and the rules are now been strict. This is the territory of the young family. The general said to them, those who dare to cause trouble are all bandits in disguise. Go over there and search one by one. Don't leave anything that looks weird behind. Now, it seems that they've been really after the bandits. Get off the car. Now, the Phallus officers are searching for everything to be able to eliminate the bandits on this region. Well, they're really pursuing the bandits so they can clear the area. But General Xiaorong suddenly came in. She was calling Yang Zhushang. Well, General Xiaorong, who was rumored to be, actually looked like this. Did she take that thing? Officer seems to be aware of what General Xiaorong can do. Right now, he seems to be getting alerted that General Xiaorong suddenly came in. The things must have been taken away by you. Now, the man seems want to talk to Princess Paimon. Princess, the Nine Princess. Look at her. Now, she is willing to disclose her true identity. She will not hide anymore. Well, the trouble. Now, she really want to show herself. Why do you? Suddenly, Princess Paimon, she really want to eliminate this person. Well, it seems that she's really wanted to. Mrs. Paimon moved closer. The man, he seems to be surprised. And he didn't expect that Princess Paimon will do things like this. Right now, Princess Paimon, suddenly she was looking at the man, staring at him, without any show of remorse. She seems to be convinced that she really want to do it. Finally, the man falls down on the floor. Turns out Princess Paimon, she can really do this to get a flower and also did she want to flash something. But suddenly, the girl said, I'm not the Ninth Princess. I am Paimon. Oh, it turns out she really stripped her title and she only want to call her a Paimon on her real name, not with the Ninth Princess name. She's helping Xiaorong. Right now, Paimon told Xiaorong that you get back in the carriage first. But General Xiaorong said to her, I don't know. You dare to eliminate someone. General Xiaorong said to her, don't know. Princess Paimon told her, well, looking at her face, it seems that she was really plotting something. Oh, there are many things you don't know. Well, push the body into the river later. Princess Paimon said to Xiaorong. Right now, General Xiaorong said to her, it will be discovered. So it turns out she don't want to hide anything or traces that she's really doing it. And General Xiaorong, she seems to be worried about her. All I want is to be discovered. Now, looking at her smile, she was really flatting something. This word in my hairpin. Now, General Xiaorong remembers Princess Paimon its uses. The group characteristic of the weapons under the Nine King. Paimon has been using her fin sword for a long time. Now, Xiaorong seems to be surprised. Doesn't that mean that she has been plotting to use the sword to mark to frame the Ninth Prince? So, from the beginning, she doesn't love the Ninth Prince at all. Well, after knowing this right now, General Xiaorong, what is she going to do? At that time, Dugushan wanted to get back on me. He spoke for the Ninth Prince. The words, it's been misunderstood. Now, it really makes sense. Man, you, well, it turns out, right now, did Paimon do something to General Xiaorong? Looking at General Xiaorong, it seems that something happening to her. Suddenly, she falls down on the floor. And it really makes sense. It's the one who's getting General Xiaorong to fall down on the floor. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!